In a world where dreams often break, and hope sometimes fades, this is the story of a boy named Rakib. Born in poverty but full of dreams. He studied hard, believing in a better future. But when life showed him its darkest side, he reached the edge and nearly gave up. But what happened next will inspire you to never quit. Stay with me till the end. This story may change your life. The boy who chose to fight back. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Rakib. Rakib was full of dreams and hopes for his future. He didn't want luxury, just a simple life. A good job and to make his parents proud. But his family was very poor. His father pulled a rickshaw all day. His mother stitched clothes to earn some money. Some days they only ate rice with salt. Still, his father always told him, "One day you'll be great, Rakib, keep studying." Rakib believed in those words and studied hard. While others watched TV, he read books at night. His slippers were torn, but not his dreams. After college, Rakib went to the city for work. He had certificates, hope, and 200 taka only. But life was harder than he expected. He visited many offices and gave his CV, but no one called him back. They said, "You have no experience," or "We'll call you later." But no one ever did. Weeks turned into months. Rakib still didn't get any job. To survive, he did small part-time jobs. He cleaned dishes in restaurants. He handed out flyers on streets. Still, people began to talk badly about him. What's the point of all his education? He's a burden to his family. One uncle joked at a family event, "Let's open a coaching, failed Rakib coaching." Everyone laughed. Rakib smiled too, but inside he was breaking. That night, he went up to the roof. He stared at the sky and cried quietly. "Should I just end it all?" he thought. "I'm tired of this pain." He walked to the edge of the roof, closed his eyes, ready to jump. Suddenly, he remembered his father's words. "You will become someone great." Rakib opened his eyes and stepped back. He whispered, "No, I won't give up now. If I die, I lose. I came to win." From the next day, Rakib disappeared. No more weddings, no more family chats, no social media, just silence. Everyone thought he had given up. But actually, Rakib was just getting started. He worked small jobs during the day. At night, he learned coding online, YouTube, Google, free websites, everything. He saved money and bought an old laptop. He learned non-stop while eating noodles. He joked, "Breakfast, noodle, lunch, noodlier, dinner, noodliest." Sometimes he said to his laptop, "Please don't crash today. Brain, please remember this code." 2 years passed like this. No parties, no rest, only learning. Finally, Rakib launched his own software service. At first, there were small clients. Then came the big ones. He started earning well, very well. He bought a house for his parents. He took his father to a good doctor. He gifted his mother a gold bangle, something she always dreamed of. One day, his uncle called and said, "Rakib Beta, we're proud of you. Come home for a dinner party." The same uncle who once made fun of him. At the dinner, people praised him. "We always knew you'd succeed. You were always special." Rakib just smiled silently. He remembered all the insults. But he forgave them all. Because success had already spoken. Moral of the story: suicide is never the solution. Hard work is the answer. Silence is not weakness. It's the sound of a warrior preparing to rise. Rakib's story is not just his own. It's the story of millions who fall, but choose to rise again. He didn't let failure define him. He didn't choose the easy way out. He chose to fight. He chose to grow. And in silence, he built his success. Remember, Suicide is never the solution. Your story isn't over yet. Work hard, stay strong. One day, the world will know your name. If this story touched your heart, give it a like, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe for more life-changing stories.